Hello and welcome to Moneycontrol's Business Wrap. Here are the top headlines for today. Bulls largely ignore Hindenburg 2.0 as the Wall Street recoup some of the losses but end in the red. Ola Electric shares zoomed 20%, hit upper circuit for second consecutive day. July inflation at 3.54%, lowest since August 2019. June industrial output up by 4.2%, disappoints. Bharti Enterprises international arm to buy Altice UK's BT Group, stake worth $4 billion. CVC Capital secures Aavas Financiers deal, outbidding EQT. Let's look at each of these stories in detail. Reflecting signs of maturity even in the middle of a red-hot bull market, investors once again bought the dip in Sensex and Nifty to ignore the concerns around a new report by Hindenburg, raising allegations on SEBI chief Madhuvai Puri. Nifty managed to climb back above those 24,400 intraday, but buckled under last hour's selling pressure to close at 24,347, whereas Sensex too hovered around the 79,650 levels. The damage was restricted to Adani group of stocks, which too recovered partial losses in the aftermath of the report. Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Adani Power, Adani Energy and other shares had lost as much as 5 to 6% in the early trade to finally end with 1 to 3% cuts. One stock that's supercharged up in trade is newly listed Ola Electric. It surged as much as 20% to hit an upper circuit of Rs 109.44 apiece, extending gains for second consecutive session. In terms of volumes, as many as 14 crore shares changed hands, much lower than the 57 crore shares traded to August 9, when it made its debut. The Bhavesh Agarwal-led company will announce its Q1 results on 14th August. EV Player will also hold its first board meeting then, which will be followed by unveiling of its first electric motorcycle, which will take place on 15th August. India's CPI inflation in July 2024 stood at 3.54%, which is the lowest since August 2019, according to the official data released. Meanwhile, India's IIP records a growth of 4.2% in June 2024. In August 2019, the retail inflation had stood at 3.28%. In July 2023, the CPI inflation had stood at as high as 7.44%, which was its 15-month high. In the previous month of June 2024, India's retail inflation had stood at 5.08%. Inflation in the food basket also declined to 5.42% in July, compared with 9.36% in June, according to the latest data released by NSO. In July 2023, it stood at 11.51%. With this, the CPI inflation has come within the RBI's target of 4%. Bharti Enterprises international arm to buy Altice UK's BT Group, stake worth $4 billion. Bharti Global, the international investment arm of Bharti Enterprise, has agreed to purchase a 24.5% stake in BT Group from Altice UK, the British telecom firm's largest shareholder, and the investment vehicle of telecom tycoon Prateek Drahi. This transaction will make Bharti Global the largest shareholder in BT Group. At current market price, a 24.5% stake purchase is valued at Rs 31,850 crore or roughly $4 billion. Making it one of the biggest outbound deals struck by an Indian company. Global private firm CVC Capital Partners has emerged as the winning bidder for Aavas Financiers, surpassing rival EQT. The formal announcement of CVC's successful bid was made on 10th of August. Moneycontrol was the first one to report that the promoters of Aavas Financiers, Kedra Partners and partner groups were eyeing an exit. Current promoters in Aavas, Kedara Capital and partner groups are poised to exit their investment after 8 years. Kedara and partners, who collectively hold a 26.47% stake in Aavas, will see their exit trigger an open offer for an additional 26% of shares from public shareholders, leading to a change in control of the company.